Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is Wednesday. It's Labor Day weekend. We were off Monday, but I wanted to show you guys like what I put on my little tower that I purchased from Ross. I'm not sure if this is gonna stay the same, but I'm trying to like figure out what works here. I'm so tired. Had a doctor's appointment early this morning, so trying to get myself together. But let me show you what I have so far. So these are some flowers from Trader Joe's, and you guys already know that I had my glass right here that I purchased from Burlington. And you know, we keep our communion in here because we are a godly household here. And then you remember the candle that I purchased from Burlington. All of this actually came from Burlington. This came from At Home. I'm not sure. I don't have a lot of these type of sayings in my house. I did have that down here. We took engagement pictures with this sign, so it's kind of like a significant piece in our marriage. So this is one of our favorite Bible verses. But I don't know if I'm liking it. So far I'm gonna see if, you know, I'm just trying to play around with different designs. Y'all comment below, let me know if you these are my Sam Edelman shoes here. So we're just gonna get into this and see if we can wear them here. We are going on a trip next month, so I'm trying to get some clothes. Is this a duster bag? I don't know what this is, y'all. Oh yeah, it is. I'm gonna need these because I am definitely taking them on the airplane. So thank you. See, they silk. I didn't know they were silky silk. So these are the shoes. Oh, they're cute, y'all. Y'all like them? Okay, first let's get into the material. It's like a silky, and then this just gives it all what it needs here. And then I love this heel here. It's not super straight down. It does have like a block in it. Okay, let's see if I can wear these. And then it has the strap here. All right, y'all, let me see if I can wear these. These are so cute. These are how they look. All right, here is how they look on my feet. Are actually, I actually really love these, y'all. It's definitely a statement piece here. I think the silk makes it look formal, but I really do like that the buckle is it has diamonds in it, and then on this part right here it has a S for the Sam. But overall, y'all, I really do like these. These are super cute. I only tried on one, so yeah, they're comfortable too. They are really comfortable, y'all. I love them. Y'all gonna have to let me know in the comments. Alright, I just wanted to show y'all this good lighting here, but I'm about to finish my charcuterie board. I purchased everything from Aldi. All my fruits, all my crackers. My honey is from Trader Joe's. Wax paper from Dollar Tree. What else am I using? And yeah, so we're gonna get into it. And I have this, I'm gonna lay down my edges today. So this is the board. The lady name that I'm going to the hibachi, her name is Angel, so I just figured I would get an A. I was gonna get a J for their last name, but I couldn't find it. So yeah, I'm just making it. She just wanted like a small board. This is where did I get this from? I got this from Hobby Lobby. I think it was $7.99. Was it $7.99? Let me see. Yes, it was $7.99 for that. So basically I'm gonna cut around here and open this up, and that is where the fruits and all of that would go. So yeah, I'm about to cut that. So let me cut that and I'll be back. I am going to unbox these crackers so I can just go ahead and just place them how I want them. Also, let me take out my my salami that I have already did.
I'm not gonna be out long, not feeling good today. But I had to come to Rose's to get some cleaning supplies, and I'm looking for a loungewear, of course, and I'm actually looking for something to go on our kitchen table. So that's what I'm looking for in Rose's. And y'all, they be driving so crazy. I'm in the hood, and Lord Jesus, let me go ahead, because I like to get in and get. I remember the jogger, I mean not the joggers, but yeah, the jogger pants that I got. These are $6.99. See, I told you I can find something that will probably go with them, but it looks like they got the pants over there, so I might get the pants. Let's see how they look. I don't like the pants right here because it's not tightened right here, but that's fine though. These are $6.99, so that will be $12. $14. And they look a little cheap, so I don't know if I like that. See, I like for it to have some type of bend right here. So, I don't know if I like that. Alright, I like this. This is cute. And this is only $8.99. I like this. This feels super comfy. I think I need a bigger size though, because this is a small. I like it. It's cute. They have a green one and a. They don't have all this color. Oh, I like this color, y'all, but they don't have it. Oh, well, that sucks. Oh, look at this set. It is super cute. So it comes with the pants, the top, and then the jacket. Okay, let me see if they have my size here, y'all. So they do have gold toe, and I normally get my sandals from here, but they don't feel comfortable in the inside. All right, guys, welcome back. I just threw my hair up because I just got back to the shower, cleaning up. You may hear the dryer in the background. I'm washing clothes, and I wanted to show you guys this. What I purchased from Rose's. I went to a couple more stores, but I wasn't feeling too good, so I was like, well, let me just mokey my way on back. So I figured I would show y'all just really quick of what I did. Now this shirt right here, it does not go with the pants that I purchased from Ross. The pants that I purchased, they were a little rustic. This is like a burgundy type color, so it didn't go, but that's okay because it actually goes with the shorts that I have on that I purchased from Rose's. So that actually worked out perfect here. And then in the video, I don't know if y'all seen this or if you missed it, this was another kind of like a loungewear as well. It's like a top, and then it has the pants here. I love the pants right here with the cuff, to die for. So I'm about to wash these while I'm washing clothes. So yeah, that's all I actually purchased from Ross. Rose's, not Ross. I was really just trying to get in and get out. Again, I was not feeling my best. So I'm gonna actually relax for the rest of the evening here. I hope that you guys enjoy this vlog thus far. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. So again, I am your girl I'm your girl Decinta that loves all things on sale. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tell your mama, tell her mama to follow me if you're interested in, you know, falling on a budget, different DIY projects, and just overall, you know, living your best life out here in the streets. But am I really living my best life? But we're gonna come back to that question.